Hi, welcome back to me again. Okay, as promised, we are going to talk about expressive language disorder in the second video. Expressive language disorder is when someone who had difficulties in expressing their thoughts and feelings. Specific examples of expressive language impairments or language disorder include difficulties with phrases or sentences. For example, he said, I go to the store. He used GOED rather than GOES, which is the correct way, I goes to the store. The second example is, he will have a small vocabulary, often had grammatical errors, dyslexia, and some people tend to have repetition. For example, like I want that, like that. The fourth one is interjection. For example, I saw picture. He will use The next example is revisions. For example, I don't know where. Help me find my doll. I don't know where. Help me find my doll. Now we move on to related cases on receptive language disorder. In this story, it is a story about Cody, and this story was cited in UPM website. It was told by a psychiatrist also. So in this story, Cody had both expressive and receptive language disorder. Now let's listen to Cody's story. Cody was a physically healthy 26-month-old boy referred to our clinic by his pediatrician because of language delays. Cody's mother reported that he was only able to speak a few words clearly, such as mama, baba, and cup. He usually communicated by gesturing and crying. A physical exam indicated that Cody was healthy. His head circumference and weight were within normal rate. He showed no problems with vision or hearing. His motor and social skills were also appropriate for a child in his age. A psychologist at our clinic tested Cody's cognitive functioning and language skills. Although his flight IQ fell within the average range, which is 101. His verbal IQ score also indicated marked delays, which is 75. Cody's receptive language skills were approximately one standard deviation below his peers. For example, he was able to follow one-word commands, but he had difficulty pointing to pictures of common objects when he is instructed to do so. Cody's expressive language skills were also delayed. His vocabulary consists of only about 20 to 25 words only, with most of which serve a function. For example, up, mom, mama. He did not combine words to form simple or two-word sentence. I'm not sure if Cody really has a language problem or if he is just a late boomer, said his mother. I thought I'd just give him a few more months to catch up to the other kids, but his doctor suggests that I have him tested right away. That's what his mom said. Alright, that's all for Cody's story. So I think that's all for me from related case and example of receptive and language disorder. Thank you for listening.